sorrel ice cream, man. Yeah, it's a vibe. My Devon House Jamaican Christmas pudding. Let's go! Yes! Welcome to Cook and Vibe, people. Hoi! I hope everybody is alright, man. Because we're getting into the festive spirit. You know what I'm saying? Christmas is just around the corner. You know what I mean? Yeah, so you don't know we're getting into the festive spirit today, people. As you can see, we got a little sign here that says the Devon House Bakery. It don't actually say the Devon House, it says Devon House Bakery. Yeah. Alright, so today, before I explain to you this little situation here, we are making sorrel ice cream. Because you don't know, sorrel is a flour from Jamaica. We've done it before. I'm going to talk about it when we do it. But sorrel is for Christmas. And we are making sorrel ice cream. I'm going to tell you why we're making ice cream in a minute. Also, we are making mango ice cream, people. Yes, so we're making two different types of ice cream, and the reason why we're making ice cream is because it's a Devon House Bakery theme and Devon House. Because here I have got a Jamaican Christmas pudding from the Devon House Bakery. Yes, so we're gonna make some ice cream to go with our Devon House Bakery Christmas pudding. Obviously sorrel ice cream with the Christmas pudding. Whoa, it's a Christmas thing. Do you know what I'm saying? So yeah, that is what we're doing today, people. And we have brought Devon House to the Cook and Vibe kitchen. As you can see, the sign is there. Devon House Bakery. I'm here. All the kids are here. You know what I'm saying? It's a good vibe, people. Christmas time. Let's make some ice cream. Just subscribe, please. Otherwise, your fingernails are going to go rusty. People, we're in the bakery. Do you know what I'm saying? Yeah. And as you can see, here is our Jamaican Christmas pudding. Devon House Bakery. See it there? So we're going to have a look at that. We're going to open that up once we've made our ice cream. We're going to make a really simple ice cream. All you're going to need is condensed milk and cream. And then whatever you're gonna put with your ice cream. We're using mango and we're using sorrel because it's Christmas time. Do you know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's what we're doing today, people. That's the ingredients. I ain't got a proper whisker, but I've got these. We might have to put a bit of June. We might have to get busy with this. You know what I'm saying? It's Christmas, we're making ice cream. As you can see, yeah, and the funny thing, ice cream. That's how you spell it. Woyo! Right, first of all, people, we are going to make the sorrel ice cream. Right, so what we need for the sorrel ice cream is to make the ice cream, you're going to need 2 pots of cream. All right, and 1 condensed milk. All right, 2 pots of cream, 1 condensed milk. So what we're going to do, obviously, that's a whole pot of cream. We're going to put in there. Like that, okay? But what we're gonna do is we're gonna fill up this with sorrel now, this sorrel juice, so we ain't got too much liquid consistency. Do you know what I mean? Because we don't want to put too much sorrel in and then it's too liquidy and we can't make the ice cream. So what we're gonna do is in this one, we're gonna tip some sorrel. As you can see, the beautiful sorrel there. And you don't know it's Christmas time. If you don't know what sorrel is a flour popular in Jamaica, grows, and basically they take the flour and they make juice out of it. Yeah, sorrel and ginger. It's quite popular. Most people know what it is, but if you don't, yeah. So we've put about a quarter, maybe a bit more of the sorrel juice inside the cream. So what we're gonna do with this cream now is we're gonna just tip the rest to fill up that so we know how much we got in there. So now we're gonna tip that into there. As you can see, the colour has gone into it. You get me? Get me a spoon, Junior. Woy-oy! Give me a woy-oy, Junior.
Woy-oy, man.
Actually, we don't need a spoon. Sorry, actually, yeah, go on. Get us a spoon. Get us a spoon. Let's just have a look what it looks like. That sorrel is mixed in there. Yeah! Our good vibes, because that's changed the colour there, see it? So now what we want to do is we want to whisk this cream with, yes, Elena, one of these. I ain't got a professional one. Do you know the electric one? So we're going to have to put some work in now, people. But yeah, we've got to whisk this until it's nice and thick and smooth, you know? As you can see, it's going to take a long time without the electric one. The kids are getting involved. Junior's getting involved. Look, Bree, she's got her one there. Show me. Ah-ha-ha. So, yeah, we're getting busy, people. Is it doing it? It looks like it's changing a little bit of consistency. But, yeah, a lot of work's got to go in here, people. You know what I mean? So, yeah. Go on, Elena. Go on. Hey, people, it's changing consistency, isn't it, guys? We're getting there. I didn't think it was going to happen, you know. When I was looking at it last night and I see the electric thing, I was thinking, oh, I don't know if we're going to be able to do this. But that cost me £2 and that cost me £3. So we think the plastic one's better, don't we?
Yeah.
But yeah, it's getting there, people. It's getting there. But we need that thick. You know what I'm saying? So Isaac's doing his thing now. You get me? Yes, Junior. He's helping him out, holding the bowl. See, look, teamwork, guys. Teamwork.
Woy-oy.
Get me? The only one that's missing is Miley. We're going to have to save Miley some ice cream. Yeah? Woy-oy!
Woy-oy.
My arm is killing me. It's not getting to the... It's definitely got thicker, but it's not getting to the consistency that we need it. Alright, what we're going to have to do is try it in the blender, because I'm telling you, my arm's dead. Alright, people, we've got it in the blender. Hopefully this does something better. Put it on a high speed. Let's see what happens. See, at this point, people, it's thicker. Alright? There is cream everywhere. At this point, I've given up. Yeah, I've given up. I don't know how you need a proper whisker, mate, to do that. But this is what I'm saying. Cook and vibe, we don't take no for an answer. All right? I'm going to try and show you what consistency it is. It's still quite thick. Watery. It's still quite watery. I'm going to be honest, but we're just going to try it out. We're just going to try it out because I can't bother to do it any longer, people. We're going to see if it works. If it don't work, it don't work. If it does, it does. So right, now you've done that, it's supposed to be thicker than that. And then you're going to add your condensed milk. Look, I've got cream everywhere. You're going to add in the condensed milk, fold that in, you get me? And then freeze it up. The Sorrel ice cream. Can of condensed milk. We're going to put into there. We're just going to mix that round in it. I mean, it's not that, when you really get down into it, it's not that liquidy, to be fair. And especially that condensed milk has thickened it up a little bit now as well. So, I mean, to be fair, what I'm hoping is, you know, like you get them type of ice cream that you get from the ice cream man, where it's nice and light, and hopefully it turns out like this, people. The sorrel has lost his colour in there, but the sorrel is in there. You get me? But we're ready to freeze this up, people, man. So we're just gonna put that on top of there. We've got our ice cream with our little sorrel on top. We're just gonna cover that up with some cling film. I'm gonna put that in the freezer at least 8 hours, but we're just gonna probably just leave it overnight and morning time, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, all right, let's get into some mango ice cream. Yes, people, see there? Devon House is in the Cook and Vibe kitchen today, people. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. We're gonna have loads more Christmas stuff. leading up to Christmas. Do you know what I'm saying? You see the bag of sorrel, we're going to do something crazy with that. Mango ice cream. All right, so we're going to chop up the mango and we're going to blend it to make a puree. And then we're going to do exactly what we've done with the sorrel ice cream before. The cream and then the condensed, whip it and then put the condensed milk in. Same thing, you know what I'm saying? Hoy! So we're peeling our mango to make our mango ice cream. Now Devon House is a place in Jamaica, okay? It's in Kingston and it's a nice place. You know, a lot of tourists go there, a lot of Jamaicans go there and they sell the best ice cream. Yeah, some say it's the best in the world. Do you know what I mean? They sell like lobster patties and different kind of patties as well. Obviously, they got a bakery there where you can get your cakes and everything there. You don't know, we've got our Christmas pudding. It's Christmas time. But yeah, Devon House is really, really famous for ice cream. So I thought I'd bring a little bit of Devon House. Tell anybody that don't know about Devon House what it is, what it's about. We're going to show you some pictures. Show you a little thing about Devon House. If you ever go to Jamaica, make sure you visit Devon House and get yourself a lobster patty, an ice cream, and a cake. Yeah. Whoa, Junior loves a mango. He loves a mango, people. So have a look in here, Junior. So we want to just whisk this. Now, this one seems a bit thicker. Now we put that in. And it seems a bit thicker because we ain't got that little sorrel liquid in it as well. Maybe the sorrel liquid made it so it couldn't go so thick, but this one seems to be thicker, Junior. So, boy, we're gonna have to put some work in again. See how it goes, man. Devon House ice cream. Boy, you're subscribe to my channel, please. Otherwise, you're gonna run out of electricity. People, big up Junior, big up Elena, big up Isaac, big up Briella, because look at that, just keep whisking it so they can see the consistency. Thick. That is the consistency we want. Look, Isaac, let me just do this quickly. Look, yeah. Thick, yes. Do you know what I think happened, guys? I think the sorrel made it too liquidy before, Junior. Yeah. But let's hope the sorrel ice cream works same way. Do you know what I mean? But the mango ice cream is looking good, people. This is more like Devon House. He thinks he's a bad man, We're dealing with some proper Devon House ice cream. Not ice cream. Ice cream! So scream! So we're gonna have a nice glass of sorrel. Very distinctive taste. Yeah, sorrel's a very distinctive taste. Nothing else tastes like it. Just tastes like sorrel. And it's the next day, people. It was a success. Yeah! Sorrel ice cream and mango ice cream. Yeah, our own little Devon House ice cream. Not ice cream, ice cream. Yeah, sorrel ice cream for the Christmas time. And you don't know, mango, yeah. You done know the thing set, man. And we've got our Jamaican Christmas pudding there. So yeah, it's time to try them out, people. Woy. Yes, People, we've got Sorrel ice cream, June. Look, he's got his Christmas hat. Look, you can have the mango one. Do you want mango?
Yes.
Yeah, all right, listen. So, go for it. How's the mango ice cream tasting? Good? Can you taste the mango? Yeah? Wow. This is the ultimate Christmas ice cream. We got Sorrel ice cream, people. Yeah? It's really nice. That is really good. Yeah. It hasn't messed with the flavour of the ice cream too much. That's really nice. Sorrel ice cream. Yes. What flavour did you get? Mango?
Yeah, mango.
You got mango. And you got mango. You got sorrel. What one's the best one?
Sorrel.
The sorrel is the best one, people. Yeah, for some reason the sorrel would taste better. The mango's nice, but it's got like a flavour to it, innit? But the sorrel is really nice. She picked the right one. She picked it because it was pink. And you can see when you get inside it, it gets more pinker. You know what I mean? Sorrel ice cream, man. Yeah, it's our vibe. Look, we've got the Jamaican Christmas pudding. We're gonna eat that right now. Yes, people. My Devon House Jamaican Christmas pudding. That's a good one. We've made Christmas cake before on Cook and Bite. Do you know what I mean? That is really nice, people. I don't think the kids are gonna like it, so we're gonna leave them out of that one there. And on Tuesday, with the fruits, they get soaked in like rum and stuff. So yeah, we're gonna leave that for the kids. But yeah, the sorrel ice cream. What do you say? The sorrel ice cream is a good one, guys.
Yeah.
People, a good vibes, man. A good vibes, innit, Junior?
Cooking vibe.
Sorrel ice cream, mango ice cream, Jamaican Christmas pudding, Devon House. Do you know what I mean? I think Sorrel was the best one. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed this episode. It's Christmas real soon. Woy oi. Cook and bite. Greetings, tell me how you're feeling. It's the big up section. You don't know where to go, people. Leave a comment in the comment section for your chance. Woy oi, people. Welcome to the big up section. You don't know how the thing's set. Make sure you do the right thing. Subscribe, like, comment and share. As you can see, behind me is looking a little bit different. Yeah? I'm going to show you Wagwan right now. Yes, people. So yeah, the new big up section. I'm trying to do like a jungle type thing here. Yeah, as you can see all the leaves and thing in the background. It looks really cool. Got some real bananas down there. They're actually real bananas, people. Yeah, you can actually eat them. They're really nice bananas. You get me? Mangoes. Yeah. But that's as far as I've got with that. There's going to be a sign that goes up in that corner there. And I just got to finish off a few bits. I'm waiting for some fake coconuts. I think I need to get another tree for that corner bit there. Yeah. And then the sofa, I'm waiting for a couple more flags to cover that. And then we just got one picture up there and then some lights to go around here and stuff. And yeah, man, the new big up section is soon ready, people. You see me? So yeah, man, the new big up section soon ready up, people. Just a little bit more work. I'm waiting for a few things in the post. Yes, so this week's big up J Lucky 5555. He says, yes, Cuzzy, shout out Nana Shirley. Nana Shirley, big up yourself. You know what I'm saying? Woyoy. And big up Cloud 9438. Says, always a laugh, good watch, bro. Happy Christmas time. Yes, my G. That was on the June plum turkey. If you haven't seen that, make sure you go check that out. The June plum hot sauce is available. It goes perfect with the turkey, Christmas dinner, woyoy. Today, sorrel ice cream. Yeah, you get me. You got another episode Thursday, and then there will be a episode on Christmas Day. After Christmas Day, there'll be one more episode, and then we are gonna have a break and go into the next season. Season 9. Wow. Wow, people. A good vibes, man. Let's see you soon.